Hi, my name is Lucia. I'm a technology consultant at Continuous Technologies. This is the 11th episode in the Alteryx Tips and Tricks series, where we help you make your workflow reach its full potential. In this video, we are going to be using the open and close panes function. So you see the configuration is open right now, and you can see the results pane down at the bottom here. So keyboard shortcuts to open and close those. You can go into View and see all those keyboard shortcuts listed here, and I also have them typed out here. But if you want to close the results pane, you can click it in here, and then to bring it back, you can either go back through here or use Control-Alt-R to bring that back. And you can do the same thing with the configuration pane, Control-Alt-C to move that back. You can also bring the interface tool back as well, so Control-Alt-D to bring that out, Control-Alt-D to close it back again. You can also view an overview of the worksheet, so Control-Alt-V will show you a glance of what you're looking at. So up here, I'm looking at this portion of the workflow, and at the bottom, I have all these tools down here. So you can toggle through the workflow by using this little browser and scroll through. But just quick ways to use those views.